guys, we are now in southern Spain and we'll be coming to you from the region of Andalucia for our next few videos.
And what better place to start our little journey than the beautiful and bustling city of Seville?
Yeah, and right behind us is the Royal Alcazar, possibly the city's most famous landmark. Quite interestingly, it looks Moorish by design, but was actually built by the Spanish. And this links very nicely to the dish we're going to try today, which looks Moorish by design, but really has come into its own here in southern Spain.
Okay guys, this one is a little bit of a mouthful, but I'm going to give it a go. It's
Oh my god.
Yeah, I've got it. It's Espinacas con Garbanzos.
Hey!
Isn't it?
Alright, but first, let's go check this place out.
This iconic site has been used as a set for many titles, from the old Lawrence of Arabia movie to more recently Game of Thrones. And now, our video today.
And you guessed it, this very video is going to be the best of the lot, I'll tell you now. So let's take this opportunity to tell you a little bit more about Espinacas con Garbanzos, which simply translates to spinach and chickpeas.
What? You mean I could have been saying spinach and chickpeas this whole time?
Yeah, I mean, of course, but where's the fun in that?
Oh, Mike, you made me do like 10 takes earlier and I kept getting it wrong and Anyway,
It was worth it.
Let's get back to the facts. This dish has become a central part of foodie culture here in Seville. In fact, you won't go to many tapas bars without finding some.
No, and arguably, something that's better than its vast availability has to be the fact that no matter where you go to try it, it's virtually always vegan.
So we've worked up quite the appetite strolling around this complex today. So let's start on our journey to El Librero Tapas Y Quesos, where we're going to be trying some today.
Okay guys, we've made it here to El Librero, a much loved local tapas bar which has a more sizable than most range of vegan stuff, so if you're looking to have more than just this dish, there's other options available.
The other thing to mention is it's really conveniently located. As you've just seen, it's not far from the Alcazar and it's just down the road from the cathedral as well.
So let's go grab a table.
Our spinach and chickpeas off the menu. They've got quite a comprehensive menu of tapas. Some of the marked items are vegetarian and vegan. And like, look at this place. It's really cool. I'm really excited to see what their food is like. I was really impressed when we came in. There's like all these like odds and ends everywhere. There's like bottles of wine as well. There's books. This is like what I would like my house to look like. It's so much fun.
Alright guys, here we are. This is Espinacas con Kyra?
Garbanzos.
Garbanzos, right. Never going to get used to that. Spinach and chickpeas if you want to talk in English. So, there you go. They look like they've been nicely, what's the word, wilted, the spinach, isn't it? So, I'm going to give this a try. Hopefully it'll be as delicious as it looks.
Does it make sense to have?
It's actually a really smooth flavour. It's almost as bizarre as it sounds, kind of like moussey. Very, very soft, very tender, cooked well. I can imagine, like they say this is a really good side dish, I can imagine having this on the side of pretty much most Spanish dishes I can think of. I mean, yeah, I think it would complement them beautifully. So yeah, I'm excited to eat a bit more.
the tight confines of this table, you've just got me today. It's time to eat. Cheers. So we've just got done eating our Espinacas con garbanzos, our spinach and chickpeas, and wow, I did not know what to expect here. I was thinking like, I know what spinach tastes like and I know what chickpeas taste like. I just thought it'd be like putting them together. I was like, yeah, but actually no, wow. That was like, it was a flavour sensation.
Wow, bold words.
Really, really loved it.
I mean, I was very impressed. I mean, I often think of maybe like wilted spinach, quite bland. Chickpeas can be quite bland, but somehow they complemented each other really well. They brought out more flavour than I could have thought of, and like I said in there, like I genuinely think it could complement most Spanish dishes beautifully on the side, and that's why, as I said, it's, you know, a well-respected side dish.
Yeah.
I think, especially with it being present everywhere, it would kind of be a bit of a sin if you came as a vegan and didn't try their most famous naturally vegan dish. So definitely, if you're in Seville or anywhere in Andalucia or south of Spain, maybe even anywhere in Spain, as let's say, you've got to try it.
Give them a try.
Yeah.
Like Mike said, you can get this dish all over the city, everywhere. It's everywhere. So, you know, we did our research and we found one that we thought looked nice, that had good reviews and stuff. People might watch this and go, what are you doing?
Yeah,
that
we're not
like,
an expert. We're not experts.
That was like a mediocre one. There's one that's even better, and yeah, that would blow my mind if there was one that even better than that. But if there is a better one, if you want to recommend it to people, put in the comments. Let's have a little conversation about this. Tell us, where's your favourite Espinacas con garbanzos in Seville?
So yeah, in the meantime, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. We've got plenty more content coming from Spain. And in the meantime, there's one thing you've always got to do, and that is to eat your greens.